Hi, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel CyberLogics. Today our topic, how to install Tor browser. Open your browser and search Tor. Click on first website. Watch here, download Tor browser and click on it. Download for your operating system. In my case, I have Windows. Click on download for Windows. Downloading start. I have already installed. Open your download file and select your language. Click on install and wait for installing. Installation complete. Click on Finish button and wait for Tor browser open. Watch here, Connect button, click on it. Connecting successfully. Search here, anything do you want? Tor browser full installation complete. Enjoy your anonymous browser. Thanks for watching.